everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a quick review and install of this gorgeous hair from AliPearl. Thank you to AliPearl for sponsoring this video. So I'm going to just quickly run through the install with you guys, just showing you all that the hair underneath is not stiff. But yeah, so my friend Amaka is helping me install my hair, so we're just doing a quick little braid up. I told her to just do like really big chunky braids just because I don't know, I just didn't want it too small. But yeah, so that's what she did, and this are the braids all done. As you can see, not super neat or anything, just big chunky but still flat. And then now we're going to do the wig cap method, and she's just using a pair of tights actually. I'm placing that on my head, cutting the ear tabs, and then we're going to just be applying some glue. This glue she used was really good, dried down super fast. So now she's just spraying some like prep spray on my skin just to make sure everything is ready for the actual blue glue, and then cutting off the excess wig cap that is on my forehead. Now after this, she's going to be applying some makeup to the wig cap just to make sure, like, you know, it looks like my skin tone. And you can of course get a wig cap that's your actual skin tone, so you don't have to do this step. And then we're also applying a bit of the powder to the wig as well. So they sent me a 24-inch deep wave wig. It's 13 by 4 HD lace frontal, and yeah, the frontal was super nice. The hairline was very nice. It was also like pre-plucked as well, and as you can see, like, it just blended super easy to my forehead. We didn't really have to do a lot of customization to this wig. It was super easy to put on and to just like blend in. Absolutely gorgeous, and there wasn't a lot of shedding too, considering the wig is a curly wig. So right here, what my stylist is doing, she's just basically measuring like how it would sit on my head, and she's cutting off this part that she's basically taking out. She's going to cut it off just because of the way my hairline is and the length of my forehead as well. So basically just to make it look super custom to my head, if that makes sense. But yeah, so she's going to just separate that part for us to deal with it later. Now she's applying the glue to my head and working in sections. I feel like it's easier this way, just so you're able to really make sure it shapes your head nicely. And that's what she's doing. So she's letting the glue dry down a little bit, and then she's just going to glue down the center part of the lace frontal. So here she's just measuring the side to kind of see how it fits to my ears, and just cutting off any excess lace to make sure it's not like uncomfortable or itchy around the ear area. That's like the worst feeling. But yeah, so she cut off the lace and then glued the side as well. I absolutely detest this part. Like, the hot comb was hot, and so she's just going over the hairline with the hot comb just to make sure it's nice and flat. Okay, so now to really get the hair nice and laid so that it really looks like my scalp, we're going to just put a headband on, put it nice and tight for a little bit, and yeah, after a while take it off and you can cut off the excess lace, which is what we're doing right here. And as you can see, that extra hair that she took out, we're also going to cut that off as well. Now she's using this spray that's kind of like a glue as well, but not quite. It's kind of similar to Got2b glue, and she's just using that to go over any like little lace that's left standing out, and then we're going to reapply the headband to my head. Y'all, I don't know what happened here. Like, the way my forehead was squashed, I was just like, what is going on? But yeah, it's only for a little bit, and then we're going for a center part, so we just parted the hair while the band was still on and hot combed the hair again, to really get it nice. Y'all see my forehead? Oh my goodness. To really get it nice and flat. And then yeah, we took off the band Now we're just going to do some baby hairs, cutting off the extra hair, and then we're just going to use some of the spray again to use that to lay the hair down. Now after styling the baby hair, we sprayed some water on the hair, and as you can see, like, it just became more tamed, and we applied some mousse as well to define the curls a bit more, as well as to just allow it set and just look super luscious all day long, which I absolutely love. Guys, I'm obsessed with this wig. It's so soft, so beautiful. The shipping was super fast as well, got everything in time. The HD lace is giving scalp, and I'm just in love. Like, look at that. Yes, and this is what the curl pattern looks like from the back. And yeah, so just enjoy my little b-roll and my posing at the end, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Bye.